I was like, I guess, yeah, but like, man, I'm not gonna do that. Because I really don't want to get a ticket. No, and I know lane splitting over here isn't legal, and I'm probably sure it's never gonna be, which really sucks. Like, out of everywhere but in California. Oh wait, hold on, is this guy blocking this guy? Yeah, this guy right here is trying to block this guy. Oh, nice. Like coming right at me. I'm just like, no, it's not time. It's not time to merge yet. Should have looked at me, but like, the fuck you want? I think it's Crocs though. I like it. He's throwing a middle finger at me for no reason. Got your camera, dude. Got your camera. I got you all camera, dude. I got you all on camera. You see this? Yeah. See this? I got it on camera too. I got all camera. Yeah, I'm looking this way too. Got all camera. Nope, you can't get my camera, or you can't get my license plate. License plate 313.LLW. Whoa, yeah. Ford Focus. How about this? Yeah, you want me to do that instead? Yeah. No, I'm not going to break his mirrors because I'm not that mean. I know he did try to cut me off too. So without him getting my license plate, so yeah. Bye-bye. He's still flipping me off. Oh, that's funny. It's an older guy, white mustache, white hair, sunglasses. I couldn't tell his face exactly.